Are you looking for reliable, aged Gmail accounts for your business, marketing, or verification needs? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy old Gmail accounts safely and securely from the best website, pvabookseller.com. Stay tuned. Old Gmail accounts have several advantages over newly created ones. These accounts typically have a better trust score, making them ideal for marketing campaigns, business operations, and verifications. They're less likely to face suspensions or bans compared to brand new accounts. Now, let's walk through the simple process of buying your old Gmail accounts from pvabookseller.com. Start by opening your browser and visiting pvabookseller.com. On the product page, you'll see various Gmail account packages. You can choose from 1-year-old accounts, 2-year-old accounts, and phone-verified PVA Gmail accounts. Select the number of accounts you need, and simply click Place Order. Then, proceed to checkout. Write your name, email, and necessary information on the checkout page. You'll have several payment options such as crypto, PayPal, PayPal, Wise, and more. Choose the payment method that suits you and complete your purchase. After the payment is processed, you will receive your Gmail accounts through your email. That's it. Buying old Gmail accounts is quick and easy with pvabookseller.com. For all your Gmail needs, head over to the website and pick up your bulk Gmail accounts today.